Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a summer giveaway. I know I was supposed to do a spring one with the pandemic going on. I just wasn't feeling it at the time, and a lot of the worldwide mail was definitely overloaded. So I kind of didn't feel comfortable doing a giveaway, shipping it out, and maybe, knock on wood, it got lost because I have quite a bit of stuff, and I would hate for it to get lost in transit. Um, so I'm coming to you today with a summer giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoy these products. And I will give you guys the rules at the end of the video. But just so you're aware that this giveaway is for Canada and the United States only, just because right now with the pandemic, shipping restraints is just kind of up in the air, and there's a lot of shipping delays out there, so I'm just keeping it to Canada and the US only for now. So stay tuned. I will show you guys what I'm giving you for the summer giveaway, and I will talk to you at the end on all of the details. So first, I'm going to start off with a Kerastase shampoo and conditioner trial set. I've tried these in the past. Some of the lines are different than the others. The orange one I wasn't a fan of. This one's not bad, so you are going to get to try that. A sample of the apple cider vinegar scalp scrub. There's like actual sea salt in here, which is pretty cool. The Beyond the Zone Beach Head Tropical Texture for beach body spray to make your dry hair look, a little, texturized and beachy wave. This is a dry spray, so you use this on dry hair, but I do have two of these, and these are great. I get them at Sally's, so I'm giving you one to try out for the summer. Now, this is a bit different. I don't normally do this, but I did buy 3, and I am giving you guys 2 out of the 3. I have exercise tights here. These are the first ones I'm showing you. So this is what they look like. They are a size extra large, but they're made a little bit on the smaller side. So what I would say is, if you're about a medium to a large, you would be able to pull these off because they're quite fitting, and they're very snug. So if you are a medium or a large, I think you'll be able to fit into these. So they're both the same size. This is the first one that I'm giving you guys. It'll give you some, some just like hope to kind of want to, be more active at home since everybody's at home. And then there's these ones. See these? They have like little droplets on them. So I'm giving you guys both. They're both size extra large, but because they are fitted smaller, I definitely think a medium or a large will definitely fit into these. So you're getting both of those. You're also getting a Bath & Body Works at the Beach body cream. You are getting a bunch of body art that you can, like body tattoos. These are body tattoos. Originally, I was hoping to give you guys these for like, what's the word? Like, fairs or those type of outdoor gatherings that we're not having right now. But you also are getting those. You're getting a Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is like the travel size. The Water Drenched Cloud Cream Cleanser by Peter Thomas Roth. This is again a travel size. I'm also giving you guys a foundation. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation in NC37. if you guys look at it, it's actually quite light. It's lighter than me, my skin tone right now. So if it's not your shade, if you're lighter, you can definitely mix this in with even lighter foundations to make it even lighter, or you can make it darker by adding a little bit of a darker foundation or tint to it to make it a little darker. So it is usable. These are brand new, haven't been used, still in the package. I just, without me going anywhere, I'm not going to see myself using a brand new spanking foundation, so I'm giving you guys the, this is a ride or die for me. I've used Pro Longwear by MAC for years. I haven't had it in a while, but growing up, this is what I would use, and it was always an all-time favorite of mine that I would go to. So you guys are getting that. I'm including a book. It's called The Dirty Girls on Top by Alyssa Valdez Rodriguez. Just a nice summer read because, let's face it, everyone is staying at home right now, something for you to do. So I'm including that. And then I have a sample of, what is this here? This is I think the Hourglass foundation stick. I've included 2, nude and beige. So, you know, if you're too dark for it, then use it as a, I would use it as an under eye concealer or a, just a highlighter overall. So I'm including those trial sizes. I'm also including a Dove Beauty bar. This is like a body wash, but in a bar in a bar form. These are great to travel with. I know nobody's really traveling right now, but the moisture in these bars are fantastic for your body skin. So I'm including one of these. I'm also including a full bag, unopened, of the Arbonne Essentials Fit Chew chocolates. So basically what it is they're like chewy candies and they taste like chocolate. And they're supposed to be better for you than an average chocolate bar. And made in facility that processes milk, peanuts, tree nuts, soy, and wheat. So just keep that in mind. If you're allergic to tree nuts, then just give these away to someone who's not allergic. There are no nuts in this particular product, but they were made in a factory that, you know, potentially has nuts hanging around. So in case you're allergic to tree nuts and whatnot, do not use these. Pass them on to a friend or family that would definitely enjoy them. But you get a full pack of these. I'm including them. I can't remember the last ones I had. They were, I think, caramel flavor, so I used those up, and then I ended up picking up the chocolate. The chocolate is, I found, is better, so you'll definitely get a kick out of those. And then I have 2 more big items here. These are the Morphe eyeshadow palettes. This is the, what is this? The 25A. So this is the 25A, and it's all browns. All browns. There's some golds in here, so you guys can definitely get some good use out of them. Then this is the 25B. This is more of a, I want to say a, I don't know, one's cooler and one's warmer. So to me, they look, you know, fairly similar. This one I think is warmer, this one I think is cooler. So they're definitely both basically all the neutrals that you could ever use in your lifetime. So I'm giving you guys both of these. They definitely have been never used, so I gotta give them to somebody to get some use out of them. I don't want them to go bad. So you guys are getting these as well. And then what else do we have here? Oh, I'm giving you guys a Huda Beauty lip strobe in the shade Angelic. So there is that. Never used, just I don't have the box for it. It's a beautiful, like, pinky iridescence. I'm not going to swatch it just to keep it sanitary, but it's a really pretty color. Then I have a Tarte blush in Party. It's an Amazonian clay travel size. So there's that. Then I have a MAC blush in Immortal Flower. It's more of a light pink. Then I have two nail polishes. So I have the Essie Turquoise and Caicos. And then I have the OPI She's a Bad Muffaletta for summertime. They actually kind of match my eyes. So like underneath I have like the green, and then the top I have like something similar to this. So definitely summer themed. And then finally I have some jewelry pieces I'm going to give you. Just some fun pieces. So here is the first necklace. So here's a necklace I'm giving you guys. It's basically a long purple necklace. It's really pretty. So that is going into your prize. And then I have earrings here. I found these and they were just so different and pretty. So I'm giving you guys these as well. So pretty. They're actually really light too, so they won't really hurt your ears. And that is it for my summer giveaway. So here's the rules. You must be subscribed to this channel. 2, you must follow my Instagram, and I will leave the handle name below, and then in my description box there's a link to my Instagram as well. So you must be following my Instagram as well. This is open to Canada and US only right now for shipping restriction and purposes. And also comment down below what activities you've been doing at home during this pandemic. Make sure you also leave your Instagram handle name as well, so that I can contact you. If you are the winner, I'm going to contact you through Instagram. So that'll be how I get your Instagram name, is through your comment. This is opened until August 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So you have a month to sign up. Make sure you like this video and you share it with your friends and family so that they can also enter if they're interested. And yeah, so this is my summer giveaway for you guys. I'm really excited that I'm able to do this, because you know, times are tough right now. All over the world. So it's one of those things where I'm really happy that I can do this as a thank you for you guys for sticking out with me and continuing on my YouTube journey. My YouTube journey has been a long journey. It's been like, I want to say 8 years? 8 years? Yeah, 8 or 9 years. So we're getting there. We're getting there. And I'm a small YouTuber because this is just a hobby for me. I am not doing this as a whatchamacallit. What's the word I'm looking for? I'm not doing this as a career. I have a career already. So, I just like sitting here talking to you guys about beauty products and makeup and what's good and what's not and what not to waste your money on. And I'm pretty damn honest when it comes to my reviews. Like, I don't sugarcoat anything. So for those ride or die viewers out there, thank you so much. And this is for you guys, you know, as a thank you for just sticking it out. So with that said, don't forget all the rules. I will list them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Good luck, everyone. Stay safe.